Hello, how are you? Let's work together again. I want you to open your activity books. Remember yesterday we worked with Peter and the Wolf. This beautiful story, a classic of all times. Let's continue. So go and get your activity books. Are you ready?
Wave Beats Music.
Here they are, pages 40 and 41. So get your pencils and let's start. Activity 1. You have to listen, look and take the correct pictures. Look at this. The first one is Peter lives here. So listen and take the correct picture.
Track 10, Unit 3, page 40, Exercise 1. Listen, look and tick the correct pictures. Peter and the Wolf. This is a story about a young boy called Peter. He lives in a small village in the mountains with his family. Peter likes having fun, and he loves playing with his friends. He likes excitement. He doesn't like looking after the sheep all by himself. He thinks it's very boring.
Let's go to exercise 2. Read and match the sentences. You have 6 sentences, and on the other side you have 6 words. You have to match them. Let's go to the first one. I can help you. People in the village work hard and... What do you think? What word can you write? People in the village work hard and... Adventure? People work hard and laughs? People work hard and eat all day? People work hard and silly? People work hard and help each other? Or people work hard and run up the mountain? This is the example. People in the village work hard and help each other. Number 2. So you write number 1. Yes. Number 2. Peter likes adventure. Peter likes laughs. Peter likes eat all day. Peter likes silly. Or Peter likes run up the mountain. What do you think? You write it, please. Number 3 says the sheep. Adventure, the sheep laughs, the sheep eat all day, the sheep silly, or the sheep run up the mountain. You decide. Then number 4 says when Peter shouts "Wolf!" the villagers, what do? Run up the mountain. The villagers silly, the villagers eat all day. What do you think? Number 5. The people think Peter is very what? Adventure, laughs, silly. You tell me. Then you continue. If you need help, just let me know. Then we move to page 41. The first activity is this one. Listen, read, and order. You have to put these sentences in order. Peter sees 3 huge wolves, so 3 big wolves. 3 big animals. Next one is he shouts, "There is a big wolf!" Peter decides to trick the villagers again. Peter returns to the field, but there are no sheep left. So this is when Peter goes back, but he can't find his sheep. The villagers run up the mountain again. Peter runs to the village and shouts that there are 3 wolves. The villagers don't believe Peter. O Peter laughs at the villagers. Para esta actividad la pueden hacer sin tener que volver a escuchar el audio. O sea, leyendo y tratan de acordarnos cuál era el inicio de la historia. Los voy a ayudar diciendo que la primera es esta. Peter decides to trick the villagers again. Recuerden que esta actividad se refiere a la segunda parte de la historia.
Peter decides he wants to trick them all again. So he runs into the village, shouting, "Wolf! Help! Wolf!" The villagers run out of their houses and look at Peter. He shouts, "Wolf! There's a big wolf!" So the people run up the mountain again, only to find the sheep are all fine. Peter laughs and laughs. He can't believe how funny they all look. Peter opens his eyes and sees 3 huge wolves at the side of the field. He runs as fast as he can into the village and shouts, "Wolf! Help! Please! There are 3 wolves!" The villagers come out of their houses and say, "Oh, Peter, this is another one of your silly jokes again. It isn't funny." They don't believe him. Peter goes back up to the field in the mountain, but there are no sheep left.
Let's continue with activity number 2. Look and complete. You have to use these words: angry, bored, confused, or sad. 1. Look at Peter's face. Peter is very angry, bored, confused, or sad. You choose. 2. Look at his face now. Peter is very angry, bored, confused, or sad. What do you think? Number 3. Look at the villagers' face. The villagers are angry, bored, confused, or sad. And the last one is the villagers are, can you see their faces now? Angry, bored, confused, or sad? You tell me. And the last activity is the moral of the story, la moraleja, la enseñanza. I prepared help for you. Yes, you have to put these words in order. El que se anima a hacerla sola puede cortar el video acá. Los que no, podemos ir avanzando y hasta que al final van a aparecer casi por completo la moraleja. So, you have a lot of words. Believes, liar. Liar is when you don't say the truth. Nobody, say, they, truth. Truth, what is truth? What does it mean? Truth is verdad, okay? So let's start. The first one is nobody. Nobody, what? Nadie believes. Nobody believes who? A liar. Nobody believes a liar, even when they and you go on. Thanks a lot. See you next class. Goodbye.